Hi, welcome again. So let's see here what we did yesterday. We did yesterday here, we make these primary beams and we said we will draw the secondary beam from the short span. Where we have a short span, we will just uh, cast here our secondary beam. So here we can place our secondary beam on x-axis and here we will be place our y-axis. Here we will be also y-axis and there as well. So if you see here, we place our columns here and we say how to apply loads on structure and how to assign the supports on the base. But before starting these things, let's check here. This I make my in PDF. If you see here in PDF, I draw my plan which is given by sir. So I did my plan in AutoCAD using my student number. So we have our x-axis because today we meet with our teacher. So he said you can just increase this side, not the x-axis. So that's why I draw my plan again. And here is the bathroom closet. I didn't place here two of them, that's why I just placed like this. And here kitchen, living area, everything's. This one is balcony, some place here for storage and closet. At this point I place my column here and here as well, and the beam length was too much, that's why I place another column in the mid. And here also the primary beam distance was too much, that's why I place one another column in the mid. So this draw here and say 2000s, the same things. This I draw it here, but I will draw it again because you will understand how it's read. So just grids, okay, and edit these grids, modify and x-axis. So you can see here from the x-axis, the x-axis is 0, 3, 4, 2, okay, 0 and 3 meter, 4.2 meter, 8 meter and 9 meter. So just place here 0, 3 meter, 4.2 meter and 8 meter, and one another will be 9 meter, and the y-axis 0, 1 and 6 here, 1, 4.2, 9.1 and 14, 0, 1, 4.2, again 9.1, and we just add a one another one which is 14. That's good. And these are all extra, so we delete it, and this one is done. Here we have xyz and here we have 3D. So now we see here, this one some places our main beam and some of them is will just stood by section or by material and apply. Okay, just draw here. This is our main beam, so our column will be cast here. This one as well. Here will be also we have a column, here a column here, here, column here as well, and also I have a column here, here to here as well. Okay, but these things that I made from nothing, which is this section, so this is not good. And this extra place, so this check. Again I draw all of them at the base. I did a mistake again, so just select all and edit, move to top, which is 3 meter, and apply on OK. I draw my all primary beams. Okay, what we will do now, we just assign these by a beam. So just define first material for the first point, the first things that we had to do, but I did a mistake here as well, so it's not a big issue. Just Europe steel, and this one is the low one. This is my material. Okay, so I have to select which section I made from this material. So I import it from the back of the, so here is where first one, shift plus down one as well, select all. Okay, 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 okay. So select all, assign, assign by material, check assign prime section, material properties. No, it's not here. Just assign by all these. Where is this material? Not loads. Here we have to find our main thing, that is how to assign these all beam from that category, from that material. So prime section, and we have to select IP 120. Okay, all of section has been become a IP 120. So now just draw the column. Just this one is a little bit big, and XY not 3D. Also show us extrude sections, apply all materials, doesn't make any difference, it's okay. So now just draw our column from the edge section, and the minimum, which is this is one column, this is the second column, this one is the third column, fourth column, and here we go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and here goes 9. How many columns we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So it's done. We have done the column as well. See the section of the column. So these are our plan for the column and beam. Now we have to draw our secondary beam. So from secondary beam, we said that from the short span we have to draw our secondary beam. Okay, so just click this one and edit, replicate is working like coffee, so we can take copy of this with the x-axis, positive x-axis by 1 meter, and how much we have, this doesn't make any difference, 30. So the extra we will delete it. Okay, these are our secondary beams on the short span. Now we have to here, from this portion on the x-axis, here we will cost our on x-axis, here also the x-axis, and we missed here one beam, The beam is our 120, which is here. It's done. So here we will be cross on the y-axis. The remainder all of them at x-axis. So now just select which beam you want to replace secondary beam. So I want this beams to be replicate on y-axis, but I'm going downward, so it's negative. Edit, replicate, this one 0. I need on y, but downward is minus y, and I need some of them, which is 8 of, it's okay, you see here. So this one is really close, we don't need it. Here is also don't need it. These are our all of them. So we know this one as well. Replicate. I'm going to x-axis, but the negative direction, so I will put -1 and 5. This one, all of them is 5, so I will do this 4. So applied. Okay, these all of them are secondary beam, which is applied by this replicate command. Now you will see on 3D. So all beams are gray and the columns are green. You can change these properties from here, general option, by section or by material, by objects, anything you want to do, you can take from here. So we wanted to here, we will apply loads on this structure and run the analysis in the next video. If I do here, so the video will be too much long, so I don't need it. Enjoy your video.